In this video, you'll learn how to enable voice to text on your Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you will be able to input text using your voice, which can enhance your typing experience and save time. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9a and locating the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the option labeled System. This section contains various system settings, including language and input options. Next, select Languages and Input from the list of options available. In this area, you will find settings related to your keyboard and input methods. Tap on On-Screen Keyboard to view the keyboards currently installed on your device. Locate and select Gboard, which is the default keyboard for many Android devices. Within the Gboard settings, look for the option that says Voice Typing. This feature controls the voice input settings for your keyboard. To enable voice typing, tap on the toggle switch to turn it on. It is essential to verify that your device has granted microphone permissions, as this is necessary for the voice input feature to function correctly. Once voice typing is enabled, it's a good idea to test it out. Open any app that allows text input, such as a messaging or note-taking application. In the text input area, tap the microphone icon located on the keyboard. Start speaking clearly and your speech will be converted into text. Take a moment to review the text generated to ensure accuracy and make any necessary edits. You can disable voice typing at any time by returning to the Gboard settings and toggling off the voice typing option. This feature provides a convenient way to input text quickly and efficiently, especially when you need to type longer messages or notes without using your hands. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.